AI walks into a courtroom and says,
Your Honor, I found the perfect case with precedential binding authority that happens to directly support my position.
Spoiler alert, that case
doesn't exist. Not in Westlaw, not in Lexis, not even in Narnia. But the lawyer who relied on AI thought it sounded so good. And that's the whole problem. Meet Sarah. Smart, overworked, running on caffeine, client expectations, and crushing court deadlines. She asks AI for help drafting a motion. And AI, it delivers. Fast, clean, full of legal citations. Sarah skims it, sees citations with names that sound legit, like Williams v. Maymont Housing or Benson v. Hendricks. She files it. The judge reads it and can't find those cases. That's because they're not real. Sanctions, referral to the bar, destroyed client trust. All because Sarah didn't realize that AI, even when it speaks in apparent perfect legalese, is just guessing. It's important to unpack what AI is actually doing here. Generative AI, like ChatGPT or Claude, is a language model. It doesn't know facts the way that you and I do. It's not looking through a legal database. It's not checking Westlaw. It is definitely not the super Google that we all think that it is. Instead, it's literally just predicting the next word based on patterns and data that it's trained on. That's it. So when you ask it for a case about emotional distress and a landlord-tenant dispute, it might say, sure, here's Johnson v. Landlord, 2022 Westlaw 123456. And it sounds confident, professional, even polished, but it's fake, completely made up, like the confidence of a middle schooler explaining taxes. This phenomenon has a name. It's called an AI hallucination. It means the AI produces outputs that sound plausible, but are totally fabricated. This becomes especially concerning where you provide a prompt directing that it generate a brief that supports your claim, like, draft a memo explaining why I was wrongfully terminated despite cussing out my boss. And ChatGPT will literally argue the position and case for you, but it'll manufacture a bunch of rules and laws in doing so. That would be the equivalent of subtly, unilaterally declaring that a baseball strikeout requires only 2 strikes. It's just not the rule, it's never been the rule, and you don't have the authority to make the rules anyway. This has happened multiple times so far, and the consequences have been significant. In Mata v. Avianca, a lawyer submitted 6 fake cases written by ChatGPT. The judge fined them $5,000 and made them notify both their client and the court. In Wadsworth v. Walmart, the court found multiple fake citations and revoked the attorney's pro hoc vice status. The American Bar Association now says that failing to verify AI output is malpractice. Read that again, malpractice. At the heart of it, case law matters because it creates consistency, predictability, fairness. The entire legal system is literally built on it. And if we start filing fake case law written by an algorithm that's just trying to finish our sentences, we're not practicing law. We're playing baseball where one team gets to overturn the other team's home run and count it as an out, like a super mulligan. So remember, AI may sound confident, but confidence isn't competence. And in court, one of those is good, but the other one is legally required. I love that you're still here because it hopefully probably means that you found value in this video. Check out this playlist, which has tons of other resources about AI and the law. Let me know in the comments what experiences you may have had like this or any questions you might still have. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more legal insight because it's important that you remember, ignorance of the law is no excuse.